Today we're going to be changing out the hatchback struts on our 1991 Chevy Corvette. The tools you'll need for this is a flathead screwdriver, and you'll need somebody to hold up your hatchback while you're doing this procedure, or get some sort of stick to hold it up for you if you don't have anybody to help you. But it's really a two-person job. Let's get started. What we have to do is take off the connector. This is for the defrost. And so basically you pull up on it, and that's just kind of like a handle. Doesn't matter if you push down on it or not. And then there's another one down here that we're gonna have to get off. And that slides right off like that. So get your flathead screwdriver, and you can see a little notch right here. Put your flathead in there like that. Push down on it, and it comes right out. Your notch is right here, okay? Right here. And now it's out. So we'll get our new strut, and of course the big side goes on this side, and the small side goes on that side. I'm gonna put this in like this. Okay, so that's hooked in. It just snaps in. And now let's pop this in first. Like that. And there we go. That's it. Try it. Let's do the other side now. It just slides right off. Once again, come through this side, and you can see right here is where it is, right at the top there. Okay, don't worry about that. Alright, now that we have our new struts in, let's give it a test. And that's how you fix the struts on your 1991 Chevy Corvette. Right here, our struts, we ordered them off the internet. We'll put a link in there for you off Amazon. And this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.